Yo folks, this is your boy Karen here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing, man, do I even need to introduce this device to you guys? Okay, so let's jump right in and start firstly with the design of this device. So OnePlus has been making some really beautiful design smartphones, and this one is no exception. Now I must say that this phone is a bit slippery, and you may need to get a case or probably a dbrand skin for this device. It is definitely a bit heavier than last year's 60. It's even a bit bigger than last year's 60. This may be a problem for those of you guys who like smaller devices, but for people like myself who like bigger devices, this is going to be a great addition to your lineup. Here's the 7 Pro compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and this is in comparison to its size. And of course, we got to talk about this amazing notchless display, 90Hz refresh rate goodness. This screen is amazing to look at and to do just about everything, from playing games to media consumption. Everything looks beautiful on this device. This 6.7-inch fluid AMOLED display is quite viewable in direct sunlight. And what's a great screen without great speakers? OnePlus definitely upgraded this area this year, and we now have stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and it definitely adds to the great media consumption experience already on this device. Oxygen OS is here to stay, and it's simply the best Android experience right up against stock Android. Call it stock Android on steroids. Because of its beautiful optimization, there's absolutely no lag here, and OnePlus has done a really great job in marrying both software and hardware. And on the matter of hardware, do I really need to talk about performance here, guys? Come on. Any one of you all who have owned a OnePlus device know without a doubt there's gonna be great performance, and this OnePlus 7 Pro is absolutely no exception when it comes to performance. Now OnePlus did kick it up a notch with the addition of this 90Hz refresh rate screen, and it adds greatly to the performance experience in that everything just flows so buttery, so smooth. As I said before, there's absolutely no lag. The experience is one of a kind. Even if you have the 6GB RAM version, the 8GB RAM version like what I have here, or the 12GB RAM version, is gonna work great without any issues whatsoever. And to keep this great performance going, we've got a 4000 milliamp battery on board. This 4000 milliamp battery is more than adequate for those casual users and heavy users like myself. I found myself getting roughly between 6 or 7 hours of screen on time on heavy usage, and for most of you all, this is going to work out quite well. Now the OnePlus 7 Pro doesn't have wireless charging, and that may be a big deal for some people, but with its warp charging technology, it gets you just over 50% in 20 minutes of charge, and I think this more than makes up for the lack of wireless charging. Now, on a note of wireless charging, personally I think that wireless charging right now is a luxury. Until wireless charging can reach the speeds of wired charging or close to those speeds, then I'll consider and say, yo, you all need to actually put this in your devices now. But for now, wireless charging is more or less a luxury. That's just my opinion. So moving on to the cameras, this year we've got a triple camera setup. Firstly, we've got a 48 megapixel main shooter. Secondly, we've got an 8 megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and we've got a 16 megapixel wide angle lens as well. Now, seeing that this device is completely notchless and without any cutout whatsoever for the camera, OnePlus has included a motorized pop-up selfie camera this year. That's also 16 megapixels as well. OnePlus added a fall detection feature. If your phone falls out of your hand accidentally and the pop-up camera is up, it's going to retract quickly to save the camera from being destroyed upon the fall. which I think is very innovative by OnePlus as well. And now, on the matter of the quality of these cams was a matter of a lot of controversy among a lot of YouTubers who are basically destroying this device because of the camera quality, mainly because of the camera quality. Now, at launch, the camera quality was not all that 100% good. It was usable, it was okay, but it wasn't great. OnePlus actually released a lot of software updates over the last few months that greatly improved the camera experience. Take a look for yourself, guys. So as we can see, these pictures are really great. They are very much usable straight out of the camera. Of course, the OnePlus 7 Pro is not a Google Pixel, but for what it offers, it's very good. And I must commend OnePlus for actually taking heed to a lot of the complaints from their consumers, from their customers, and actually fixing it in a timely manner. How many companies can we say actually does that? Now, this is where I'm going to address some of the YouTubers who are basically bashing this device and telling people why they return it, or telling people why they shouldn't buy this device. And to be quite honest, bro, some of you all just nitpicking at this moment, right? Well, here's what. Like, come on, man. Look at these photos. Sure, it's not pixel quality, but I'm quite satisfied with what I'm getting out of the camera, as I said before. Now, yeah, I rated the Pixel, and a lot of other people, YouTubers, rated the Pixel as having one of the best cameras on a smartphone, probably the best at the moment. And while it may not be pixel quality, as a consumer myself, I am quite satisfied with what the camera offers, what they get out of the camera in both video and still images. Now, it's not just the camera. There were complaints about no wireless charging, no headphone jack, no official IP rating on water resistance or dust resistance. Now, on that note about water resistance, upon viewing Jerryrigeverything's teardown of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I'm going to link that video in the description, he revealed that OnePlus did indeed included the water resistance sealants in the device, even though they didn't officially announce that the phone has water resistance. So basically what OnePlus did is throw in water resistance for you guys for free, in addition at no extra cost, because if they did apply for the certified IP rating, the cost of the device would have gone up. And to prevent that, OnePlus basically threw in this feature for free. What is there to complain about, guys? Come on now, come on. Like seriously, what's wrong with you guys? Some of you all are missing the point. This device is a device built with the consumer in mind. This is a flagship device, built with the consumer in mind. Someone who wants the best that Android has to offer, but has a certain budget to spend. Of course, there's the Pixel 3a XL, but my question to you all, does the 3a XL carry the majority of the features that the OnePlus 7 Pro has? Think about it for a moment. So there are options. You know, the funny thing about it is that some of you all YouTubers are going to be shelling out $1,000+ for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 that's going to be coming out very soon, and you're not going to have a problem with it. Some YouTubers will even complain that $670 US for what you're getting is not enough. How much was the S10 Plus when it was launched? While it may be nice to have some of the perks from other devices, you're getting a well-rounded package here with all the main necessities that a consumer, an average consumer in today's world, expects out of a smartphone. And these are a great design, and that's also inclusive of the screen as well for those who are into a lot of media consumption on the device. Powerful performance, great battery life, a great camera, more than adequate storage, and the OnePlus 7 Pro utilizes UFS 3.0, the first device with it, which simply means higher data transfers, and it boosts the general performance over other devices that use 2.1. And in my opinion, OnePlus has done a great job with these points with the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro is a beautiful device inside and out, and for most people they're going to be greatly satisfied owning this device. I can safely say that the OnePlus 7 Pro is the best all-rounded smartphone that money can buy right now on the market. Those of you who are on the edge of getting it, just go and get this device. It's worth it. So that's it there, folks. Thanks so much for joining me on this video, and as usual, hit that like button, share this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, subscribe to my channel for more content such as this. Feel free to discuss in the comments. Hit me up on all my other social media platforms that I'll link below in the description. And until next time, guys, bless.